Guru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. First, I must correct that I am not a doctor. It is the affection of Shri Dr. Harmon Ji who has made me a doctor. Right? I had decided not to speak, but to honor my teacher, Mohtarma Amreen, I stand before you. It is difficult to speak after such beautiful speeches, and also men of learning, erudite scholars and realized souls like Principal Sahab sitting here. But I will start with Bertrand Russell, who has been quoted amply here. He said in his book on impact of science on society, unless men increase in wisdom as much as in knowledge, increase of knowledge will be increase of sorrow. So what is delivered from this podium by the learned speakers is not information, not knowledge, but wisdom. We must bear in mind, because every knower or every scholar of Gita is not able to live the tenets of Gita. Similarly, knowing Guru Bani is good, but it is not sufficient. Guru Bani must be lived. Then only wisdom will percolate. If we want, there has been a lot of concern that our children are not coming up. But may I quote one incident? One of the Guru Bhais of Vivekananda, who happened to be Kamala Nehru's Guru. One gentleman came and said, Maharaj, please bless my child so that he may become a good man. Maharaj said, you become good, he will automatically become good. So let us focus on our evolution with a little less attention on children. I think two instances. One, Guru Nanak. As has been rightly said, Brahmagyani Samadarshi. So Guru Nanak, when he found Pai Lena as the most suitable, he had no hesitation. So this Samadarshan must come. My child is not interested in Guru Bani, doesn't matter. It should not disturb me. My enthusiasm to live Guru Bani must continue, because everybody comes with his samskars. Second, we must, time is short, so I will end up with something which I read from yesterday's pamphlet. Guru Gobind Singh's quote, in पुत्रन के शीश पर वार दिए सुचार, चार मुए तो क्या हुआ, जीवत कई हजार. Such great tradition. So we must enlarge our family and come out of our family. One instance I am tempted a little more to say. Hats off to the chairman sir, who has been so liberal in the right tradition of Guru Granth Sahib, allowing all Hindus, Muslims, and not ensuring no distinction is made here. But to really appreciate that all religions are true is no joke. Somewhere deep down we feel that my religion is the best. And in order to, this is only first step, it is not the last. In order to really feel that all religions are true, I must delve deep into Guru Bani. Right? And so thank you very much. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.